Today's video is going to be about Birthday Wisher. Basically, it's an extension that lets you send out automated birthday wishes for all of your friends. Once you start getting a couple of thousand friends, it probably becomes something that is maybe tedious or whatnot. But it's always good to automate things that you have going. So save yourself some time. You can have this extension, Chrome extension. I'll put a link in the description here for your purchase. I've got some amazing deals. Make sure that it's worth your while to get this. And basically, what you're going to do is click on Birthday Wisher, make a post, and you can select that or send a message in Messenger, whatever you want to do. And what you'll do is you'll go into settings and you can create your own message, or you can use one of these like I've got in here. And basically it'll just post on their wall whenever you want, or again, if you want to send it into their messenger, you can do that as well. And you have the option of messages. You can change and have an image, and you can schedule what time of day that they're going to be sent out. So overall, pretty easy, straightforward tool, simple to use, and saves yourself a lot of time. If anybody has any questions or want to purchase, feel free to let me know.